Hey guys, so my name's Tanner, and a lot of people know me as Dr. Taco, and today we're going to be doing the Vision Pro F2 light bulb install. And so I've been running Vision Pro F2s for 2 weeks now, and they are crazy good. So I had the M2s before, and so those are more of a direct replacement between the stock bulbs. They just kind of switch from a amber light to a white light, and then they pump a little bit more lumens. But when you go to the F2s, you're going from 6,000 lumens to 12,000. So it's doubling the power, and it's worth it. These things are crazy nice. So let's get right into the install. All right, so we'll just be getting right into the back. And so right here, this very right bulb, if you're staring at it from the engine side, you just go in there and you twist it, and it just comes right out. And so once you get it out, there's this clip here, and you just push that clip in and pull the bulb out, recommending using 2 hands. And it just pops right off. All right, now with the brand new Vision Pro V2s, the install is about the same. I like putting the brand new bulb in the housing first just to get that out of the way so it's not dangling. So you just want to stick that right back into the hole and line it up. You need the cord facing towards the engine, so more that way. And then you just find it and twist, and it just snaps right in place. You want to go until you can't turn anymore. And so it's tug, it's watertight. All right, so now when you got the light bulb installed, you got the 2 connectors. So this is the brand new Vision Pro connector, and this is the OEM connector. And if you look at the Vision Pro, there's these 3 tabs. And so the one that's facing here, that's facing out towards you, you need that to line up with the push pin of the OEM. So you just line those up, and you snap it right in. After you snap it in, you want to give it a good tug. Make sure it really is snapped. It's a good connection so you don't have any issues down the road. And after that, that's your install. So these are, again, 12,000 lumens. They are so much better. I can't express that enough. This is one of the best products you can get, especially for someone like me. I have the retrofit headlights where I blacked out the whole housing, including the high beams. And so with that blacked out as well, they're pretty much useless because it can't reflect because they're not projectors, they're reflectors. And so with the Vision Pros, it kind of compensates for that because they're so bright and they help tremendously.